Welcome back to the Ari and Bart Show, and today we have something special. Ari, what are we doing today?
We're gonna make a royal flush. I think this has become one of my favorite drinks, I think.
It is. Not just that, but this is one of those things that with a royal flush, with a royal flush, you don't want a strong whiskey. You want a whiskey that's just nice and mellow, and Crown Royal does it just right. You can get the regular one
or the apple.
That's right. So we are gonna mix this up, and let's have fun. Let's go. What do we need?
Okay, so we need 1.5 ounces of the Crown Royal.
Okay.
You can use the regular, you can use the apple. The apple adds a little extra.
We already measure everything?
Hey, you're tossing everything. You didn't even put the ice in.
Oh, okay. See, I'm already screwing up. Let's go back. Here we go. All right, there it is. So, ice first.
We're supposed to do that together.
Okay.
We're just going through the ingredients. 1.5 ounces of the Crown Royal, whichever one you want. 1 ounce of the peach schnapps.
Right.
Schnapps.
Schnapps.
And 2 ounces of pineapple juice.
2 ounces of pineapple juice. Now you can put whatever kind of fruit punch you want, pineapple, apple, whatever you want. We just go with.
I love pineapple juice.
Or actually, there's a really good one with lemonade. You can do a lemonade one that tastes really, really good. I just saw that one the other day. And you know what? I'm gonna have to stir it with this thing because you didn't get something soon. Okay, so here we go. We want to put the ice first, right? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Put a little extra. Why not? Right? All right.
Grab one of those straws.
Okay. Fancy little straws here we got. All right. You ready? You lean forward and do it.
Okay.
So this is the Crown Royal. Do you got the apple one over there or just a regular one?
I put the regular one.
On both?
Yes.
Okay, cool. You know
apple
what?
Apple one is good too, though.
Yeah, so I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do an apple one, but this is not gonna go to waste. So good. I'm gonna do an apple one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna do an apple one and a regular one. So you ready?
So we can taste the difference. I think I'll like the one with the apple a little bit more.
The one I did for you last time was an apple.
Okay. Makes it a little sweeter.
Yeah. Then this is the
1 ounce.
Peach what?
Schnapps.
And here is the pineapple, her favorite.
I love pineapple. I'll probably add more
pineapple
juice.
Look at that. I'll probably add more pineapple to this whole thing. Mix it up. Our fancy little straws. Okay. Normally I'm the one doing the drinks here, but my wife wanted to take control this time, so. Okay.
It's a good drink. I like it.
Yeah. Go. What we got?
That's really good.
Really, really good. Yeah.
Try yours.
Split.
Yeah.
Which one do you like better?
The apple.
The apple one?
Yeah.
Yeah, the apple one tastes for me. The apple, the pineapple juice, just kind of the mix works really, really good. But the regular one is good too. You can go with either one. Now, this is a drink you might want to do just for the weekend on a Friday when you get home from work. There you go. You're gonna get the happy dance. We get home from work, just want to relax, do a small little drink, nothing too big. Dinners, parties. You can make a whole gallon of these and maybe have a
impress your friends with this easy recipe. You only need 3 ingredients.
3 ingredients, and that's pretty much it. Pretty cheap drink too. So with the Ari and Bart Show, we are doing different things. So this is gonna go under our drinks of the week.
Yes.
So first one for second. Let's second because we got a hot time.
Yes.
All right.
So I think we'll try to keep working on a drink of the week or just in general a recipe of the week.
Yes, but don't worry, guys. I got you next time. We're gonna do maybe an old fashioned or something like that. So can't wait for that. Love my old fashions. My wife does an amazing old fashioned. Thank you guys for being here with us. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And catch you guys on the next one. Take us home.
And enjoy your royal flush.
Enjoy your flush.